Hi guys, my name is Ashley from Dermalogica, and today I'm going to talk to you about my favorite product, Daily Microfoliant. What I really like about this product is that it's a gentle exfoliant I can use every day. I have acne-prone skin, and since I've started using Daily Microfoliant, I've noticed a dramatic difference in how bright and even my skin tone is. I am not a morning person, so when I wake up in the morning, I like to add Daily Microfoliant into my special cleansing gel. This way, I'm knocking out exfoliating and cleansing all at once, and I can hit the snooze button one more time. It's also great to do before you apply your foundation because it just lets your makeup apply that much smoother. What's cool about Daily Microfoliant is that it's actually a powder-based exfoliant that is activated with water. How I found it easiest to use is to pour about a teaspoon onto my damp hands. I then massage it into my face for a few seconds and leave on for 1 minute for maximum brightening effect. Daily Microfoliant contains salicylic acid, phytic acid, and rice bran that decongest and brighten skin. This product is great for breakout-prone skin, but it's actually made for every skin type. It's the one product I can't live without in my skincare routine.